Hey guys, it's me Mandel, and Del Rock Blessing. Listen, I'm in my gum room, and I just never showed my my rival collection how big it's gotten. So I have. Let me show you real quick. It's These are some of my rival weapons right here. Some of my rival blasters I got. All right, I got you know a lot of totes. See, like 3 totes full blasters. And this is my favorite one because it has all my rival blasters in there. All the rifles at least. And then hold on one moment. Then I got those 2 bad boys over there. I'm getting ready to film another loadout video featuring those two, and guess what? Like I told you, I would choose the Percy's as my primary if I had one thing. The Luke's out of darts hopper extension. Um, I'm telling you, it's about to be really lit. All right. So that being said, you guys have a wonderful night, or in my case, morning. All right. See you on the next episode of Del Rock Blasting. Ciao, baby.